If your baseboard cracks during coping or nailing, stop and stabilize the piece before continuing. When a crack appears, first remove any remaining fasteners near the break and support the fragile end with your free hand or a scrap block to prevent further splitting. For coping cuts, use a gentle upstroke with the coping saw so the blade pulls rather than pushes material away, and back the cut with a scrap piece to keep thin profiles from tearing out. If the crack is a clean split, apply wood glue into the joint and clamp or hold pressure until the glue sets, wiping excess with a damp cloth. For hairline cracks or small chips, fill with paintable acrylic latex caulk. Tool it smooth with a wet finger, then sand lightly once cured to feather the repair into the surrounding profile. When nailing thin trim, use a thinner gauge finish nail or pre-drill a small pilot hole and sink the nail slightly below the surface to avoid splitting. Always have spare trim on hand so you can replace a badly damaged piece without sacrificing alignment or finish. Common mistakes include driving nails too close to the edge, which splits the trim, and the fix is to predrill or move the fastener inboard 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch and use a smaller nail. Another frequent issue is overzealous coping that takes off too much profile, which you avoid by stopping short and using a file to refine the fit rather than aggressive sawing. The last common problem is trying to force a cracked piece back into place, which hides gaps but stresses the repair. Instead, glue the crack, clamp until cured, then fill and sand any remaining voids for a strong, invisible repair. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to trim, repair, and general projects. Our site also includes a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos of repairs and techniques.